Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display product images in download section in my account page in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now on page, we are in download section and then you see download product, digital product. So we are going to show images with this product. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code. Scroll down in search plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code, insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet, then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to my account page and we are in download section and we are going to show product image with product. Now refresh the page. Now scroll down, you see product image. We are in download section. So this is our digital product, and also we show product image with product title by using this custom code. You will find this custom code in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.